Hello there, welcome to our channel. So this year Asus is going to launch Zenfone 8 series smartphones. It is rumored that there are 3 variants this time around: Zenfone 8, 8 Pro and 8 Mini. Some time ago we came across Zenfone 8 Mini on Geekbench. Now its elder sibling Zenfone 8 or 8 Pro, we are not sure which one it is, has made its first appearance running the same chipset, which makes it clear that all these phones are powerhouse. Now before we get to other aspects of the phone, let me tell you about the launch date. Yes, Asus now has a splash page on its website for an upcoming launch event for the Zenfone 8, which will happen on May 12th or May 13th depending on where you are in the world. So now that's out of the way, let's continue with the phone, specifically speaking the Mini. Because you know most of the phones out there are massive, like 6.7 or 6.9 inches. And people with small hands or even regular for that matter are stuck with these phones which are virtually impossible to hold with one hand. So Asus bringing a Mini to the table will be a game changer. We have seen Sony present compact phones, but not everyone is fan of Sony's choice in terms of design, specs and the price, which is usually crazy high. But with Asus bringing a superior chip and a possible 5.92-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, it will compete with some of the top tier phone with huge market share. For cameras, there's talk of 64MP Sony IMX686 main camera alongside a yet to be released Sony IMX663 module. We are on the fence regarding the rotating camera on Zenfone 8 Mini that we have seen on Zenfone 6 and 7 series phones, as this is a small form factor phone and they may go with regular camera setup. There is no word on the battery size of the device, however its TUV certification revealed that it may carry support for 30W rapid charging. As for other two models, there's not much to share except for the processor, which is Snapdragon 888, and the display size, which is 6.67-inch and 6.7-inch for the Zenfone 8 and 8 Pro. We also have some camera specs of Zenfone 8. It's 64MP Sony IMX686 plus 12.2MP Sony IMX363 plus 8MP telephoto lens and a 24MP selfie shooter, and it will also have Pixel i6 visual processor. Hopefully we will receive more information in the coming days, but you gotta do one thing: subscribe to our channel. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Peace out.